Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kim and today I have finally a Fairyloot special edition unboxing for you. I've been waiting so long for this one to come in. This is part of a series that I absolutely love and yeah, I couldn't wait for this to arrive. This will be my third copy of this book series. I cannot wait for the next in the series. I really want to do a reread of this series, but I don't want to do it straight away because I want to do it again when the next ones in the series come out. And I knew it. I knew as soon as I went on holiday, away for 2 weeks, it would arrive. Thankfully, my brother took one for the team and came and got it for me. As it arrived literally the day I left. Oh, I can't get it out of the box. Let's flip the box upside down. Okay, here we go. It's big, it's bubble wrapped, they are together. Oh. Okay. Calm down, human, calm down. Okay. Can't get that off, let's just cut that. Hopefully without stabbing yourself. Oh my god, with you. Very little used a lot of tape on this. Okay, no, we're still taped. And at the bottom. Okay, here we go. Oh, ASMR, getting this out. That's just one bit of bubble wrap. I've got another bit of bubble wrap to come off. Here we go. Whoop, whoop. Bubble wrap off. Okay, so we have, oh, and they're in plastic. Oh, oh, oh. I really want to read this series again. Okay, we have Crescent City Book 1 and Crescent City Book 2. Oh my god. House of Earth and Blood and House of Sky and Breath. Okay, you know I'm gonna have to take the plastic off and try not to damage the book. All right, let's take that off of there. Oh, okay. So we'll start with book 1. So they are in a slipcase. So you have Crescent City 1 on the front there. You have spine. You have the rear, which is signature by Sarah. Top and bottom is just plain, and then you have the book itself. Ooh. Okay, you're gonna come out easily, quite easily. Okay. Oh, House of Earth and Blood. So we've already seen the spine, the rear there. Through love, all is possible. Solid top, solid bottom. We have the ribbon bookmark. And oh, do love the moon faces. Oh, okay, take off the dust jacket, nothing on the reverse. You got the picture there of Sarah. Oh, okay, hardcover, very pretty, and the rear, through love all is possible. We have the end papers. Ooh. We have Bryce and Danica. And then in the back there we have Hunt and Rune. Oh, gorgeous. I'm literally shaking. Oh my god. The map, of course. Oh, yes. So pretty. Okay, so that's book 1. Let's pop her back in the dust jacket. And pop it back into the slipcase. Oh, no, bubble wrap, get off. damaged the book. Get it back in. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Let's get on to book 2. Okay, again, take the plastic off without ruining the book. Okay. There we go. Sort of back top and bottom. Spine there, House of Sky and Breath. Again, you have signature on the back and 2 on the front there. Flip it out of the jacket and okay, House of Sky and Breath on the front, raising the spine, light it up. Solid top and bottom, again a ribbon bookmark. Okay, and then again the moon phases, but this time in blue. Oh. End papers. Okay. Yeah, hello. Take off the dust jacket and we have Hunt this time foiling and light it up. Oh. Okay. I'm one happy woman right now. Oh, I want to reread this so badly. Oh, that does take minutes. There we go. Oh my god, okay. I came this close to rereading it on my holiday. Anyway, there you go. That is the Fairyloot set for the Crescent City. I am one very happy lady right now. Oh, I really want to reread it, but the next one comes out so soon. I don't want to read it too early. There you go. So, let me know what's your thoughts of the set. What's your thoughts of the customizations? Oh, I didn't even see that fly out. It's the Fairyloot thank you letter, thank you card for your order. So yeah, let me know what you thought of this set. Are you like me and cannot wait for book 3 in this series? I really can't wait. Anywho, as always, down in my description box, you can find a link to all of my socials. Come give me a follow on Goodreads, on Instagram and on Twitter. You can like this video, you can comment and you can subscribe if you really want to. If you want to let me know you're here without actually talking to me, what should we leave this time? Should we leave a moon? Let's leave a moon. As always, I will see you next time. Toodles.